I'm going to show you how to create a virtual machine using Oracle VirtualBox. First thing you need to do is open up a web browser, search Oracle VirtualBox, go ahead and go to their website, download the latest version of VirtualBox and then install it on your computer. Once installed, go ahead and open it up. On the left side here, it should be blank, but once you have virtual machines loaded into the VirtualBox, this is where you'll find them all. And then on the right side, it just gives you a little bit of information about the virtual machines. To create a new one, go ahead and go up here to New. Type the name of the computer. You can name it whatever you like, but I'm just going to name this one Linux because it's going to be a Linux computer. Notice I already populated the type, which is going to be Linux. Version, I'm going to install a Red Hat flavor of Linux today. Go to Next. Here it's asking you the RAM, how much memory. That is all going to depend on the physical memory of your machine. In my case, I have 16 meg worth of memory, but for this machine, I'm just going to use 2 meg, so I'm just going ahead and switch this to 2. Then you need to create a virtual hard drive for the machine. And then it says the recommended size of the hard drive is 8 gig, but you can go higher than that. It just all depends what you'll be using the virtual machine for. We're going to go ahead and create a virtual hard drive right now. We're just going to create a VirtualBox disk image. I'm not sure what the other ones do. I've never had to use them, but the VDI works just fine for what I need to do. We're going to use dynamically allocated. That way it will go up to a maximum fixed size. And we're just going to name the hard drive Linux because it's going to be for our Linux machine. And I'm just going to leave that 8 gig. I don't plan on storing a whole lot on this machine. We're going to go ahead and create the hard drive. Then we need to go into the settings of this machine. And in the settings, it's kind of like a regular computer. You can go in here and change anything from USB. You can enable it. You can even add USBs. The storage. It shows it just like a regular computer. Here's a CD drive. This is where I'm going to actually load from the operating system from. So you just go over here where we can see it's empty. There's nothing loaded into the CD drive. And just click on this little CD, and then you can choose a virtual CD from your computer. So I got my operating system in my downloads here. We're going to be installing CentOS version 6.5. Go ahead and open that and load it into the CD drive of this virtual machine. Hit OK. And from there, to start the machine, to load the operating system onto it, you just need to hit Start up here, or you can just double click on the machine. Then it'll load the machine just like a regular computer. As you can see, it brings up the operating system to install. Just go through the install process of the operating system, and to show you what it looks like once you got it all installed, I have one running already. Log in here. And here's our Linux virtual machine. Looks just like a regular machine. If you want a full screen view to where you can't see your other physical computer at all, just go up here to View and switch to full screen. And this works just like a regular computer. It's virtually running on my physical computer, and the network is all virtualized, going from this machine to the physical machine for network access. As you can see, we do have internet on it. So there's our web pages that's loading up. That's how you install a virtual machine on your physical computer. Thanks.